The workplace is changing. Employees are changing, becoming more flexible, dynamic, distributed. Why keep giving them slow, outdated thin client devices to do modern work? Replace your traditional thin client with a Chrome OS device that mobilizes your workforce with a cloud-first, secure solution, perfect for your remote workforce, the front lines, or the back office. Chrome OS devices can run the same apps your employees require through virtualization providers like Citrix. And Chrome OS devices can be deployed faster without the need for imaging, while being managed from the cloud-based Google Admin Console, making it easy for IT to manage from anywhere. Migrating to cloud-first devices future-proofs your company's investments as you accelerate your digital transformation to the cloud. Ensure devices stay secure with Google's built-in Titan C security chip and regular security updates that can be installed automatically or rolled out gradually for more control. And give employees a better experience with the flexibility to choose from a wide range of devices that don't slow down over time, including high-performance premium devices with long battery lives. Reduce your legacy footprint. With Chrome OS devices as a modern endpoint for virtualization, your employees can work from anywhere, even your IT team. Stay safe, move fast, and invest in the future with Chrome OS.